Are you experiencing fatigue, tiredness, shortness of breath, pale skin, brittle nails? If the answer is yes, then these are most likely symptoms of something called as anemia. I am a dietitian Pradnya from Valcal Nutrify, and today's video is going to be all about understanding anemia. So what exactly is anemia? Anemia is a medical condition where you have decreased number of red blood cells in your body, or the concentration of hemoglobin in your blood is less, which in turn doesn't allow your body to carry enough oxygen to your different body parts. So first let's have a look at what are the causes of anemia. What causes anemia? The most common cause is a diet that is not balanced and in fact is deficient in specific nutrients that the body requires, especially iron, B12, folate and vitamin C. The second is it might be an autoimmune disorder, which means your body is acting against the red blood cells of your body. Third is it can be hereditary, and fourth is it can be seen commonly in women who are expecting a child or kids who are in their growing up years. So how can we prevent anemia? The first is eating a well-balanced diet, especially rich in iron, folic acid, B12 and vitamin C, including iron-rich foods like your meat, poultry, fish, legumes, pulses, dark leafy vegetables. There is a food item called garden cress seeds or halim, which is very rich in iron. You can regularly include it in your diet. Including foods that are rich in vitamin B12, which means again your poultry, your fish, your meat and dairy products, including folic acid rich foods like dark green leafy vegetables, plenty of fruits, and including vitamin C rich foods, which is basically citrus fruits like oranges, sweet lime, bell peppers. Lemon is a very good source of vitamin C because vitamin C is known to help the body absorb iron better. Second, avoid taking calcium with your iron because calcium is known to hinder the absorption of iron. So something like not taking a glass of milk immediately after your meal is recommended because the calcium in your milk will not allow your body to absorb the iron that was in your meal. If you are a poor eater, you might have the need to take supplements for iron or folic acid and other nutrients. And if you are not seeing an improvement in your hemoglobin levels in spite of all of this, then there is another factor which is important in anemia, that is the acids that is produced by your stomach. The acids break down the iron so that your body can absorb it easily. If there is less acid that is produced in your system, you will not see the change. So in that case, you need to go and meet your physician. I hope you find this video useful. Do share it with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel if you still haven't, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get regular notifications about our new releases. Bye bye.